my gosh, you guys, you have no idea how excited I am to film this video. Finally, I was literally editing my latest video, which I just uploaded on my channel. So if you didn't watch that one yet, please go check it out because there's a lot of valuable information as always. You know, I'm a bit slow in uploading because this is my third channel. I have 3 channels to run beside having my own everyday life, and I have so much going on, you know, so I'm trying to do my best, but I always try to upload very valuable informations on my channel. So if you didn't yet, subscribe, because I will always give you great tips and tricks to make money online, to grow your business, and I will share with you very transparently my journey with all my failure as well as my successes. And you know how much I was waiting for this moment, so I am literally filming as I unlock my tiered up level. I've just been tiered up, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never done this before. So these graphics, it's all new for me. I was literally just checking if I made any other sales today, because last time I checked, I only sold 2 units, and I can see I sold 2 extra because I've reached 4 units. Today is Thursday, October 7, by the way. And let's unlock my new tiers together because I'm dying. Oh, finally. Okay, great. So I'm finally on tier 25 and I have a new cute little monster, this little kind of octopus. It's so adorable. I'm so excited, you have no idea. This has taken forever. I should actually be on tier 100 already, actually on tier 500, because you need to sell 25 units in order to pass from tier 25 to tier 100. And let me show you the status of my account. So last time I filmed a video sharing with you my Merch by Amazon journey. I was mentioning that yes, I got approved super fast, like record time in literally less than 24 hours, but I was neglecting my account for the first years ever since I got approved. I never took it seriously, and I'm starting taking it seriously ever since this last couple months, and I can see the results already coming to fruition, you know, because as you can see, I've been selling like a machine this week. Like this past couple weeks has been my most profitable weeks ever since I got my account. I really put a lot of effort and energies, and I'm so glad to see that I'm finally, you know, just harvesting the fruits of my hard work. And as you can see, I've been selling a lot of t-shirts this week. I mean, in the past 7 days, I've sold 54 units. For someone that has been in tier 10, literally on the lowest bottom that exists, this is a pretty good number. I mean, I'm pretty proud of myself because, you know, I just want to prove to you with real receipt that it is possible to have consistent daily sales. And I'm not talking about 1 or 2. Look at this. I've been selling 12 t-shirts on Monday, the 4th of October, and then, Tuesday was the only day where I didn't make any sales, but look at this. Then Wednesday, which is yesterday, I recovered with 13 sales. And then, you know, it's been a great couple of weeks for me. And of 10 designs that was live in my account, almost all of them sold. Like literally out of 10 designs, 8 of them has been selling consistently. So I have 8 killer designs, and this really prove you that it's not the quantity, it's the quality. So focus on the quality even if you are on the bottom, because you can make money. Look at this. I've made $65 in the US market, and then in the UK market it's another 11 unit. Keep in mind, in the UK market I have only 1 or 2 designs up, so it's still a pretty decent ratio for having just a couple design live in there. And I made 13 pounds. So altogether I sold 11 plus 96, oh my gosh, my math is 107 units. So technically I should be on tier 500 if you want to be precise, right? But because Amazon is being super duper slow lately in tiering up people, especially smaller account, This for me is such an achievement. You have no idea, you guys, because oh my gosh, it's happening just at the beginning of the Q4 portion of the year, which is the most profitable, and I hope they're gonna tear me up faster next time, you know, because now I have double the chances to make sales, and I cannot wait to share with you my results in the next month. So hopefully I'm gonna grow at a much faster speed now, and oh my gosh, like there's nothing more frustrating than being in tier 10. But if you can make it work, I was killing it even in tier 10. If I can make it work in such a lower tier with so many limitations, I'm sure I can make it work now even more. So just a word of encouragement for anyone that is on tier 10. Don't give up, you guys. You can still make consistent sales, look at me, every single day. Even if you have only 10 slots and you can make money. I mean, look at that. It's altogether, it's $65 plus 13 pounds is about $80. Okay, $80 is not bad for someone that is in tier 10. So don't give up, believe in yourself, keep recycling designs that are not selling. That's what I did. In the beginning, I was, you know, keeping live design that weren't selling. Now I'm much faster. Like if they're not selling in, let's say 10 days max, I put it down and I just switch with a more trendy design. And I suggest you to work with the trendy if you are in the lower tiers, because that is gonna get you out faster. So play on Halloween niche, Christmas niche, play on this niche, because now this is what is gonna give you more chances to get out of the bottom tiers. But hallelujah, I'm so excited. You have no idea how happy I am in this moment. It literally just happened. I mean, I've just unlocked my new tier level with you guys, and I was waiting since forever for this moment, and finally is here. So again, don't give up, keep uploading, keep being consistent, keep curating your listings, try to be strategic with your keywords, with your title, and just keep on going. Don't give up, because everything is possible, and I am the living proof. Oh my gosh. So that's it, guys. I don't want to keep you too long. This was a short and sweet video just to give you an update. You know, it's even for me, you know, I love to upload in my channel all my milestones, because once I'm gonna be in a higher tier, it's nice to see where I started from. You know, it's like keeping a record of my journey, and just to keep me humble and remember, you know, my struggle at the beginning. And I want to share my journey literally in the most transparent way with you guys, and show you that you can achieve the same results, and you can learn from my mistakes. So let's take this journey together. I'm sure we can all be successful. I mean, the pie is big enough for all of us. We don't need to steal from each other's. Like, don't do that. I just uploaded a video about it. Please watch that video, because it's extremely important for you to be an ethical business owner, because being nasty, stealing from other people, it won't bring you anywhere. Don't choose the shortcut, because the shortcut is just a shortcut to failure. It's not a shortcut to success, I promise you. Especially for the young out there, they always look for the easy way, you know, to make money, for the easy way to do everything, because they are lazy, they don't want to put work into it. That you don't get anywhere. You have to learn to put some effort, to put some work, you know, to achieve result. You can't just expect for great things to happen to you putting zero effort or stealing from others. That doesn't work. You are only cheating yourself. So keep this in mind. If you work hard, you will get your result, I promise you, because you have no idea, you guys, I've been working so hard on my Amazon account, and for weeks and weeks and weeks and months, I saw zero results, but I didn't give up. This is the mistakes that most people do. You know, if they don't see results straight away, they give up. They keep changing. If you keep changing, you never reach anywhere. You never reach any destination. You just have to keep on going, to keep pushing until you break through. But don't keep changing just because you want everything easy, everything instantly. That doesn't work in anything in life. and all of us start from the bottom. So don't be discouraged when you see all these YouTubers posting videos. Oh my gosh, I made $100,000 this month, you know, like those are very discouraging because it seems so unachievable, right? Follow someone that start from the very bottom, like myself or like someone else. You don't have to follow me. Follow someone that is more relatable, that's just 1 or 2 steps ahead of you. Don't follow someone that is way ahead of you, because that's very discouraging. You need to follow someone that's really close to your situation, because it's more relatable, it's more realistic, you know, and it gives you more hope and a better vision that it is possible. It is possible. I'm sharing with you every single step of the way. And I almost got my account closed a couple times. I went through so many struggles and issues like everyone else. And this happened to everyone, guys. Don't believe when you see everything, it's perfect. Oh, I never got issues. I get, you know, teared up like in days. Like, don't believe on you know, what's the name, the shiny object syndrome, because there's no such a thing as perfection. I actually personally love so much more to follow people that really are honest about their struggles and really share their struggles, because the struggles are your best teachers. Those are the things that teach you the most. It's a learning curve, you know, in any business. And Merch by Amazon is an amazing business. It is a business. Don't take it as a hobby. It's a business. If you're serious, you have to take it as a business. If you take it as a hobby, of course, you will never see substantial results, because the results you get is proportionate to the input you put into, you know, the business, to the effort that you put into the business. That's why I'm saying, if you expect to have everything easy in life, you will never reach anything. It's just plain and simple. So with this, I'm gonna close this video. And again, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Guys, don't give up, and I hope you're gonna be teared up very soon as well. Let me know in the comment down below if you have been teared up as well in these days, because I'm curious to see if it's like a global thing. I'm still learning as I go. Like, I'm not an expert by any means, but I've never understood it that it teared up everyone in the same days, or if it's different for, you know, different people are teared up in different days. Like, this is very confusing to me, but let me know down in the comment below. Or if you have any other question, just leave a comment. I'm gonna try my best to answer each one of you, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.